Here is how to get as seen on Fox on your website. My name is Nadernejad, and I'm an entrepreneur specializing in a unique industry called online reputation management. I help everyday people, politicians, and organizations remove negative content online and create a positive online presence. From a Chilean presidential candidate to one of China's leading education companies, and even your neighbor next door, I've helped personal and business brands create a positive digital footprint. Subscribe to join me on my journey. I'll share all my business, income, and branding tips with you, and I promise in each video, I'll teach you something new. Hey, my name is Nadernejad, and I'm the director of Nadernejad Media and Nova Reputation Management. Nadernejad Media is our consumer-facing brand to help small businesses and individuals fix their online presence. And Nova Reputation Management, we work with corporate brands to help them boost their online presence. And generally, we're weaving in CSR and sustainability communications to help them achieve that. And now, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get as seen on Fox, ABC, and all these other logos on your site. And let me delve into a bit of background, because I just explained how to do this for Yahoo Finance. So this is another video. That other video is on the channel, but I want to explain how to do this. Basically, when you're putting that on the website, it is a technical truth. So what it is basically you've been featured by Fox, you've been featured by, well, you've been published on MarketWatch and all these sites, but it's not a news report, because a lot of these companies will sell this service for something where they can make significant margins on it, right? They can make like $1,000, make $800 margins, so 20% cost perhaps. And what they'll do is they'll sell this to you. You might get a targeted ad. Do you want to get as seen on Fox on your website? And this is how they do it. Simply, they have a publisher who has either a PR wire, or they're using EI and PressWire, or one of these websites to publish a press release. And this press release will syndicate on, get this, the PR section of MarketWatch, of Fox, of these sites. And they'll say, here you go. Here it is, and they pay maybe $150 for it, and then you pay them $1,000. Maybe they write a news story about you, and then they publish it. So this is not really a true feature in Fox, but what you can do is you could use it on your website. It is truthful, it is real, you have a press release in there, and it costed money, it took time, so you could do this. And how do you do this? Well, I'm going to fire up the computer, I'm going to show you how to do it on fiverr.com, and it's very simple. So follow this and you can do the same for way cheaper. So here it is. I would head on over to fiverr.com, Fiverr.com, and then I will do press release writing and press release distribution, or just even press release distribution. The press release distribution, and if you click here, I will do press release distribution with social media marketing. As simple as that. Click on that. And then Into Town is a good seller on Fiverr, but look everywhere you're going to be published. You're going to be published on Fox, you're going to be published on Fox 12, all these different radio stations and outlets. Here's your MSNBC. It's a partner with MSNBC, and as simple as that. So that's all it takes. I've shown you a sample press release report about what this looks like, about all the different networks you can have, and really how great it is. So if you want to be published on Fox, you want to get that on your website, if you want to get as seen on CBS or as seen on MarketWatch on your site, put those logos there for brand credibility, you can do that using this simple method. If this video helped you, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and learn how to boost your online presence. And let me know, is this a credible, good thing to do? What do you think? A lot of brands are using this nowadays, so I recommend doing the legwork if you are going to do work or partner with anybody in the future. My name is Nadernejad. I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching.